Hi, I'm Lisa Babineau from Twice as Nice. I help you dress on your mood, shape, and intention for less. As funny as it sounds, starting Twice as Nice was accidental. My background is makeup artistry, and I knew when I took that 9 years ago that it goes into fashion. I knew that I was very passionate about it. Twice as Nice is important to me. I started in a 400 square foot mezzanine. I painted a plywood floor, and my husband came in and hung a change room with just 2x4s and a couple curtains. It brings me to today, to being involved with many more people, having more variety of items for people to find. It brings me to expanding myself to grad dresses and formal dresses, to building more relationships with people while I'm working into my bigger goal to one day be in small towns. I don't want to be the average store in Edmonton. I want to see Twice as Nice consignment stores everywhere. I want to see them in Devons and Leducs and all of the little towns where I think is lacking that. Oh boy. When I started Twice as Nice, I didn't know if it was going to work or be a need in the community. What I've realized is as I go forward in my journey, I am seeing it being more than just a business. I love to connect with people. I'm enjoying getting to know ladies and girls and having kids come in, and I'm enjoying giving something to people. A lot of people say to me, wow, it feels so good to be able to come in and be able to afford to shop for myself, because I'm always shopping for my kids, or I'm always, I don't spend money on myself, and they feel comfortable. That's what this business is to me. It's about every single person out there.